Hey guys, welcome back to Nutrition Science. We've been on this unit with metabolism. Last class, you guys took a look at different body types and tried to identify which one you are, and based on the notes. So what we're going to do today is an activity where try to put a little bit of science to this and try to actually figure out what you are instead of just trying to guess from taking notes. So the activity is here. It's Nutrition Science Body Type Lab. And first thing we're asking you to do is to make a prediction. What body type do you think you're going to have, and why do you think that? And again, remember, take a look if you forgot. There's a mesomorph, an endomorph, and an ectomorph, and take a look at the characteristics of each. When you take this, just to kind of give you a heads up, keep in mind that we are a mixture of two parents. So it's not always like a black and white kind of thing. You can be a mixture. You can have some traits from one body type and some traits from another body type. So just keep that in mind. Don't expect that everything is going to be black and white. So there's a link here that goes to bodybuilding.com, and don't worry, this is still a legit way to figure this out. That link will bring you to here, and right here, what's your body type? Take our test. And if you just kind of, read the directions, and then what you're going to do is answer these questions, right? And just kind of work your way through, and eventually it will give you information, and it's going to tell you what body type you are. So what I did here is I have a sheet here, and what I'm just asking you to do to show me that you took this, you can either take a screenshot of the other page, or you can just highlight your answers here so I know what you picked. If you are not comfortable with putting that information here, then just leave it blank, and I'm fine with that too. Just maybe take a screenshot, like I said, of what body type you are. That shows me that you actually took the test. And you can see there's all questions here, and these over here are just the multiple choice responses that you get when you take the test. So after you have that, taking a look at your results according to the survey, what body type are you? And again, it might not be like just straight mesomorph. It might say you're a mixture of a mesomorph and an endomorph or something like that. So whatever it says, report that out. And then I'm asking you, what are the exercise recommendations? So and why? So it's going to tell you should work out like this, because maybe it's hard for you to put on muscle, or maybe it's hard for you to lose body fat, whatever those things might be. And then finally, what are some nutrition recommendations? And again, I keep saying this to you guys, there is no one size fits all. So keep all that in mind, that based on your body type, you should be eating a certain way. Not everybody should be eating the same way, right? And I think that we know that, right? And then finally, in a conclusion, was your hypothesis correct? Were you that body type? Were you surprised with your results? Why or why not, right? And then that should have some information based on the description of those different body types. So this was meant to have fun. Don't get too crazy. Don't take anything, too seriously. But it's good to learn a little bit about yourself. So have some fun with this, guys, and stay safe.